To link NIN to MTN, open your phone app and dial *996# and send. So I'll see the option here: submit NIN, get generate NIN, something. So choose the first option, which is 1, and then send. Then here you can choose first option or second option. They are both the same. So I'll choose 1. So I've copied my NIN already. All I have to do here is to paste my NIN. Let me paste. So I've pasted my NIN and then send. Here you see the option: please give consent to update your NIN record. So if you are also updating your NIN, this is still the same process to update your NIN. So but here we're just linking the NIN. So I'll just select accept and then send. And your request is being processed. Thank you for choosing MTN. So after waiting for the request to be processed, I received a message from MTN saying your NIN has been successfully linked to your line. You can now make calls. Thank you. Another thing is how to check your NIN status to know if your SIM is linked. So all you have to do is to go to your phone and dial *996#, then send. Then you will see the option 4 here. It says view NIN status, and then choose 4 and then send. So here it's saying check NIN status, which is the first option. So I'll choose check NIN status, which is 1, and then send. As you can see, dear customer, your NIN is linked to your number. Thank you. So that is how to link your NIN to MTN. If you find this video helpful, please support my channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.